Hi everyone. Today we're going to study definition, terms, and common difference of arithmetic sequences. First, let us define arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence that has the property that the difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. This constant is called the common difference. If a sub 1 is the first term of an arithmetic sequence and d is the common difference, the sequence will be like this. A sub n equals, the elements are a sub 1 as the first term. The second term is a sub 1 plus d. The third term is a sub 1 plus 2d. The fourth term is a sub 1 plus 3d. So on and so forth. We may also write arithmetic sequence in simpler form like this. The first term is a sub 1. The second term is a sub 2. Third term is a sub 3. Fourth term is a sub 4. So on and so forth. Let's have an example of an arithmetic sequence. First term is 1. Second term is 4. Third term is 7. Fourth term is 10. So on and so forth. Or we may write a sub 1 is 1, a sub 2 is 4, a sub 3 is 7, a sub 4 is 10. For the common difference, we may compute this using the formula a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. This is difference of any two consecutive terms. So it's like a sub 2 minus a sub 1, or a sub 3 minus a sub 2, or it can be a sub 4 minus a sub 3, and the difference must be common. As an example, we may show that a sub 4 minus a sub 3, and this is 10 minus 7, and the answer is 3. The common difference helps us also to provide the next term after 10, and that is a sub 5, which is 10 plus the common difference 3 is equal to 13. So on and so forth. So we say, once a sub n is known, next term is derived by adding d, the common difference, to it. Let's have more sample problems. Sample problem 1. Write the first 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence with a sub 1 equals 3. This is the first term. And common difference d equals 2. Let us write the general form, and it is written here. Since we need 6 terms, we may write a sub 1, a sub 2, up to a sub 6. In the problem, a sub 1 is already given, which is 3. So we may substitute this value for the a sub 1 in our sequence. Next, we know that next term is derived by adding d to the previous term. So the a sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus d, and that is 3, that is the first term, plus 2, the common difference. and the answer is 5. And this number 5, we will substitute to a sub 2 in our sequence here. So for a sub 3, that is equal to a sub 2 plus d, and a sub 4 equals a sub 3 plus d, a sub 5 equals a sub 4 plus d, and a sub 6 equals a sub 5 plus d. So we have this a sub 3 means the 5, which is a sub 2 plus d, is equal to 7. And for a sub 4, that is 7 plus 2, which is 9. A sub 5 is 9 plus 2, which is 11. A sub 6 is 11 plus 2 and equals 13. So these 4 values we will substitute in our sequence here. So the first 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. This is our final answer. Let us have example 2. Write the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence with a sub 1 equals 17 and d equals negative 3. We need 5 terms, so we write here the general form of arithmetic sequence with 5 terms. The first term is already given as 17, so we will substitute this value in our sequence. For a sub 2, that is equal to the first term plus the common difference d, and that is 17 plus negative 3, which is equal to 14. And this value we will substitute to a sub 2 in the sequence. For a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5, we will compute by simply adding the common difference to the previous term, respectively. So a sub 3 is 14 plus negative 3, that will give me 11. For a sub 4, that is now 11 plus negative 3 equals 8. A sub 5 is now 8 plus negative 3, which is equal to 5. So these values here we will substitute to our sequence. So the first 5 terms of the arithmetic sequence with a sub 1 equals 17 and common difference equals negative 3 are 17, 14, 11, 8, and 5. This is our final answer. Let us have sample problem 3. Is each sequence arithmetic? If so, find a common difference. We have problems A and B here. Let's begin with the sequence A. We can see here that the first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 4, fourth term is 8, fifth term is 16. In order for us to prove that this is an arithmetic sequence, the difference of 2 consecutive terms must be common. So it means a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 equals 1. A sub 3 minus a sub 2 equals 4 minus 2, and that is equal to 2. A sub 4 minus a sub 3 equals 8 minus 4 equals 4. A sub 5 minus a sub 4 equals 16 minus 8 equals 8. We can see that the difference is not common for any 2 consecutive terms. So we can conclude that the sequence A is not arithmetic. We will write our answer opposite sequence A. Let us go to sequence B. The first term is -3, second is 1, third term is 5, fourth is 9, fifth term is 13. Again, we will compute for D, and it must be common. A sub 2 minus A sub 1 equals 1 minus -3, and that is equal to 4. A sub 3 minus A sub 2 equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. A sub 4 minus A sub 3 equals 9 minus 5 equals 4. A sub 5 minus A sub 4 equals 13 minus 9 equals 4. We can see that the difference is common and equal to 4. So sequence B is arithmetic. Let us write our answer opposite B, and that is arithmetic, and the common difference is 4. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.